Today, I am reviewing Apple 2025 MacBook Air 15-inch. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Apple 2025 MacBook Air 15-inch with a brand new M4 chip is one of the most exciting laptops Apple has ever released. It continues the MacBook Air tradition of being lightweight and incredibly portable, but now with even more performance, battery life, and intelligent features built for the future. If you've been waiting for a larger screen MacBook Air that balances portability with real power, this might just be the perfect laptop for you. First, let's talk about performance. At the heart of this MacBook Air is Apple's new M4 chip, which is faster and more efficient than ever before. It comes with a 10-core CPU, a 10-core GPU, and a 16-core neural engine, all working together to deliver smooth multitasking and impressive graphics performance. Whether you're editing videos, working with large design projects, or even playing games that demand high performance, the M4 chip makes everything feel responsive and fluid. What's especially impressive is how it manages to stay cool and efficient even when you're pushing it hard. You're getting desktop-class performance in a slim, lightweight body that weighs just over 3 pounds. Another highlight is Apple Intelligence, which is Apple's new personal intelligence system built directly into the Mac. It helps you write, organize, and get tasks done more easily, while also prioritizing privacy. None of your personal data leaves your device, giving you peace of mind that even Apple can't access your private information. It feels like having a built-in smart assistant that enhances productivity without compromising security. Battery life is another area where this laptop shines. Apple claims up to 18 hours of video playback and around 15 hours of wireless web use, which means you can easily get through a full workday and more without worrying about finding a charger. This makes it a fantastic choice for students, professionals, and anyone who travels often. And with fast charging through MagSafe or USB-C, topping up your battery is quick and convenient when you do need it. The display is gorgeous. The 15.3-inch Liquid Retina display supports a billion colors, wide P3 color gamut, and true tone technology. With a resolution of 2880 by 1864, everything looks sharp and vivid, whether you're streaming movies, editing high-resolution photos, or just browsing the web. The brightness goes up to 500 nits, making it comfortable to use indoors and outdoors. Text looks razor-sharp, and the color accuracy is ideal for creative professionals who want a reliable display. Apple also didn't cut corners on audio and video. You get a 12-megapixel center stage camera, which automatically keeps you in frame during video calls. It's paired with a 3-microphone array that uses advanced noise isolation so your voice comes through clearly, even in noisy environments. On top of that, the 6-speaker sound system with spatial audio delivers surprisingly full and immersive sound for such a thin laptop. Watching movies or listening to music feels far richer than you'd expect from something so portable. Connectivity is strong here too. The MacBook Air M4 comes with 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, a MagSafe charging port, a headphone jack, and support for Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3. You can even connect up to 2 external displays, which is a huge upgrade for people who like to work with multiple screens. This means it can easily adapt from being your lightweight travel laptop to a full workstation setup at home or the office. Of course, one of the biggest advantages of owning a MacBook is how seamlessly it works with other Apple devices. If you're already in the Apple ecosystem, you'll love features like iPhone mirroring, which lets you control your iPhone right from your Mac. You can copy and paste between devices, answer FaceTime calls, and even send texts directly from your laptop. For anyone who owns an iPhone or iPad, the integration makes daily use effortless. Design-wise, the MacBook Air still keeps it sleek, minimal style, and the new sky blue color is stunning. It feels premium, professional, and portable at the same time. At just 0.45 inches thin, it easily slips into a bag or backpack, making it ideal for people on the go. The backlit Magic Keyboard with Touch ID adds convenience and security, and the large Force Touch trackpad remains one of the best in the industry. Overall, the Apple 2025 MacBook Air 15-inch with the M4 chip strikes an incredible balance between power, portability, and intelligence. It's perfect for students, professionals, and creatives who want a reliable laptop that's thin and light but doesn't compromise on performance or battery life. The bigger display makes it more versatile than the smaller 13-inch model, while the M4 chip ensures it's future-ready. Add in the stunning design, excellent audio and video, and tight integration with Apple devices, and you've got one of the best laptops of 2025.